Assalamualaikum. Today we come in the bird zone, the shop in Wagda town.
बर्तन गंजे ही
Look,
गंजे दोनों ही गंजे ले लिए मैंने
look, the birds like green parrot, pigeons, parrots, parrots, more parrots, the finches that are birds, snakes and lovebirds. One more green parrot, the pigeons, finches, chicks that we buy too, and there are budgie, lovebirds, very things. There are seeds of budgies also, of birds. Now I would like to see you the budgies and parrots, small. Look how cute are they? Cute they are. Look, look, look. That the fence in his house.
चिप्स में खाना हमारे
That budgies, budgies, more budgies. Now I would like you like to see the macaw. Okay, I will see you. My favorite parrot. I love the macaw. Look, the macaw, yellow and blue. This is cages of macaw of the birds. Now I like to see the pigeons and the hens. These are the cages. Very love birds. Rabbits, so cute. Now I will like you like to see the hens? Okay, I will let you see the pigeons also. And more hens, pigeons, more pigeons, more hens, more hens, more hens, more pigeons, more hens, more hens, more hens, more hens. So many hens and pigeons. There are some have been bite. That duck is so cute. The small chicks, pigeons is so cute. Some, this is Mr. of Asilan. Okay, Allah Hafiz.